Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Maths Online class of class 2nd. I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying your classes, and you have completed your homework also given in the last video. And now today you will learn subtraction, sums of 3-digit number with borrowing and word sums also. Okay, all of you open page number 50. First we will do word sums and pay attention here. This is your page number 50. All of you open it and keep with you your pencil and eraser. Now first an example is given to you. First we will see this one. A woman makes dolls. Each doll has a red ribbon and a blue ribbon. Now you have to tell how many ribbons does she need to make 125 dolls. You have 125 dolls, and for each doll you have to make red ribbon and blue ribbon. So 2 times you have to add 125 red ribbons and 125 blue ribbons. Now add this one. 5 plus 5 is 0, 1 carry. Now add the tens is 5, add the hundreds is 2. Answer is 250 ribbons to make 125 dolls. Now next question is, Varun has 229 cards and Varsha has 135. Varun has 229 cards and Varsha has 135. Now how many cards do they have altogether? Now Varun cards plus Varsha card. Add this one together. First we will add the ones. 5 plus 9 plus 5 is 14. Write 4 here. 1 carry. Add the tens 6. Add the hundreds 3. Total cards 364. Now next question. There are 427 houses on one side of a road and 398 houses on the other side. One side 427 houses and other side 398. Now how many houses are there along the road? रोड के दोनों साइड आपको हाउसेस काउंट करने हैं. सो फर्स्ट साइड, वन साइड ऑफ द रोड 427 houses on one side plus other side houses. Add together. First we will add the ones. 7 plus 8 is 15. Write 5 here. 1 carry. Now add the tens. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Write 2 here. 1 carry. Now add the tens. Now add the hundreds. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now 825 total houses are there along the road. Now next, Kala went to school on 182 days and Neha went to school on 18 more days. Means Kala 182 days स्कूल जाती है, गई थी, और नेहा 18 ज़्यादा गई थी उससे. Now how many days did Neha go to the school? So what will you do here? You have to add in 182 18 more days. Okay? नेहा कला से 18 days ज़्यादा स्कूल गई. Now add the ones. 2 plus 8 is 10. Write here 0. 1 carry. Add the tens. 10. Write here 0. 1 carry. And 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer is 200 days. Neha went to school 200 days. Now next one. Adil sold 148 more lemons than oranges and he sold 152 oranges. Now how many lemons did he sell? Adil ने 148 ज़्यादा नींबू सेल किए. Okay, and he sold 152 oranges. Now you have to find out how many lemons did he sell. So what will you do? You have to add 148 and 152 together to get the lemons. 148 more lemons than oranges. And oranges, how many beta? 152. Add together, you will find out the lemons. Now 8 plus 2 is 10. Write 0, 1 carry. Add the tens. 10. Write 0 here, 1 carry. Now add the hundreds is 3. The answer is 300 more 300 lemons he sold. Now next question. Puneet gave 165 gifts. Each gift had a large toy and a small toy. How many toys did he give in all? In one gift, 2 toys are there. Were there large toy and small toy. Now how many toys did he give in all? So what will you do? Large toys 165 plus small toys 165. Now add together. Add the ones. 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0, 1 carry. Now add the tens. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 30. Write 3 here, 1 carry. Now add the hundreds is 3. The answer is 330. 330 toys. Now last, a painter painted the front door and the back door of 279 houses. Total houses 279, and he painted front door and back door of 279 houses. How many doors did he paint? So here what will you do beta? 279 he painted front door. He painted back door also, that is also 279. Now add together. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 carry. Now add the tens is 15. Write 5 here, 1 carry, and here will be 5 when you add the hundreds. Now the answer is 558 doors he painted. I hope you understood this one. Beta, you have to complete this work in your books only. And you can do in copies also. You have to do in copies also. Okay. Students, you can note down from here after doing that work. But your writing should be neat and clean. Okay. Now come to page number 51. Here you will learn subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowings. And here you will learn borrowing tens only. First we will do this question, exercise part. The question is 154 minus 29. And here you will learn to borrow from tens side. Okay. Here you can see on ones, 4 is less than 9. So you have to take borrow from tens. I hope you understood this one. 154 minus 29. You have to take borrow from tens side. It will be 14. And here will be 4 remaining. Now 14 minus 9 is 5, and 4 minus 2 is 2, and 1 minus 0 is 1. The answer is 125. Next question is 253 minus 36. Take borrow from 10 side. Here will be 13, and here 4 remaining. 13 minus 6 is 7, 4 minus 3 is 1, and here 2 minus 0 is 2. The answer is 217. Now next question, 582 minus 45. 582 minus 45. Take borrow from 8, here will be 12, and here 7. 12 minus 5 is 7, 7 minus 4 is 3, and 5 minus 0 is 5. The answer is 537. Next, 670 minus 238. Subtract both the numbers. Take borrow from 10 side. Here will be 10, and here 6. 10 minus 8 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, and 6 minus 2 is 4. I hope you understood this one. The answer is 432. Now this question 785 minus 567. 5 is less than 7. Take borrow from 10 side. Here will be 15 and this one is 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. The answer is 218. Like this you do yourself in homework. I hope you understood this one. Now do more practice. Come to these questions. The question is 682 minus 63. 2 is less than 3 now, so take borrow from 10 side. Here will be 12 and here is 7. 12 minus 3 is 9. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 6 minus 0 is 6. The answer is 619. Next one, 191 minus 72. Take borrow from here. Here will be 11 and here 8. 11 minus 2 is 9. 8 minus 7 is 1 and here 1 minus 0 is 1. The answer is 119. Now next question, 433 minus 216. This question we are doing. Now 3 is less than 6. Take borrow from 10 side. Here will be 13 and here 2. 13 minus 6 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 4 minus 2 is 2. The answer is 270. Like this you have to do all question yourself in homework. I hope you understood this one. And you have to do this work in books only. Now come to page number 52 and here you will learn borrowing hundreds. First question you see here, 369 minus 73. First we will subtract the ones. 9 minus 3 is 6 and here you see 6 is less than 7. Take borrow from hundreds. Here will be 16 and here 2. 16 minus 7 is 9 and 2 minus 0 is 2. The answer is 296. Now next question. The question is 102 minus 51. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 11 minus 5 is 6. The answer is 61. Next question, 504 minus 62. 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 is less than 6. Take borrow from hundreds. Here will be 10 and here 4. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 4 minus 0 is 4. Next question, 628 minus 331. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 2 is less than 3. Take from here. It will be 12 and here will be 5. 12 minus 3 is 9. 6 minus 3 is 2. The answer is 297. This one, 746 minus 254. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 is less than 5. Take borrow from hundreds place. Here will be 14 and here 6. 14 minus 5 is 9 and 6 minus 2 is 4. The answer is 492. This one you do yourself in homework. Now next part, next exercise, do more practice. 379 minus 80. 9 minus 0 is 9. 7 is less than 8. Take borrow from 3. Here will be 17 and here will be 2. 17 minus 8 is 9 and 2 minus 0 is 2. The answer is 299. Now next, the question is 406 minus 25. 6 minus 5 is 1. 0 is less than 2, take borrow from hundreds, here will be 10 and here 3 remaining. 10 minus 2 is 8 and 3 minus 0 is 3. The answer is 381. Now next question, 730 minus 370. 0 minus 0 is 0, and now subtract the tens, take borrow from hundreds. Here will be 13 and here 6. 13 minus 7 is 6 and 6 minus 3 is 3. The answer is 360. Now come to next question. One more question we will do, one or two. 487 minus 294. 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 is less than 9. Take borrow from hundreds. Here will be 18 and here 3 remaining. 18 minus 9 is 9 and 3 minus 2 is 1. The answer is 193. Now this one you see, 853 minus 292. Subtract the ones, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now you can see when you subtract the tens, 5 is less than 9, you have to take borrow from 8 and here will be 15 and here 7 remaining. 15 minus 9 is 6 and 7 minus 2 is 5. The answer is 571. Now students, listen carefully. This part you will do in homework and this one. In your books only you have to complete. Now thank you everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.